Hello students, now we are going to start our MCQs. So, the first question, if the perimeter of the square is 24, that means student, perimeter is 24, we will divide it 4 6 are 24, that means side is 6 centimeter, right? And side is 6 centimeter, we can find the area. Area will be 6 into 6, that is 36 centimeter square. So here is the area, 36 centimeter square. Now if the area of a parallelogram is 54 and the length of one side is 77.5, then the corresponding height. So area of parallelogram, we know that base into height. Area is 54, length of one side, we are taking base, 7.5 is given, we have to find height. So height will be equals to 54 upon 7.5. डेसिमल रिमूव किया हमने, 5 2 जा 10, 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25. Now again 3 5 जा 15, 3 1 जा 3 and 3 8 जा 24. Now 18 2 जा 36 upon 5. Here we get 7.5 centimeter, sorry 7.2 centimeter height. So we can say that 7.2 centimeter is the height of the parallelogram. Now if the base of triangle is double, let's student, base is double, we can say that base will be 2b and its height is half. Height is doing h by 2. Then the area of resulting triangle is, student, here is the area using this base and height is bh. Area of triangle is half of base into height, that means half of b into h. And when we are using these terms, half, base is 2b, height is h by 2. 2 to 2 cancel, we get bh upon 2. That means both the cases are same. That means we can say that the area of the resulting triangle is remains same. Fine. Now fourth question, if height of a parallelogram is double, that means student, height is double, that means 2h, and base is tripled, that means 3b let. Then the area becomes, here the area will be base into height bh, here the area will be 2h into 3b, that is equals to 6bh. That means the area will be 6 times of the previous area. So we can say that this one is 6 times. Now the circumference of the circle with diameter 28 centimeter is, diameter is 28, that means radius will be 28 by 2, cancel with 2, that is 14 centimeter, and circumference will be 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 14, cancel with 7, 2 ja 14. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 into 22 is 88 centimeter. Fine. So the circumference of the circle will be 88 centimeter. Now the sixth question, the ratio of circumference to the area of circle of radius r unit. So student, circumference is 2 pi r with radius r and area is pi r square, that means r into r. We have to find the ratio. So here pi to pi cancel, 1 r is cancelled with 1 r. We get 2 ratio r. So we can say that the ratio of circumference with area is 2 ratio r. That means option A. Now if the area of circle is numerically equal to its circumference, then the radius of the circle is Student, area of circle, that means pi r square is equals to circumference with 2 pi r. Fine. Here pi to pi cancel, 1 r to r cancel. That means radius will be equals to 2. That means we can say that the radius will be 2 units. Now we have to find the area of circle with diameter d. Student, diameter is d. That means our radius will be d by 2. And what will be area? Area is pi r square. Here is pi, r square is radius. That means d by 2 is the radius with whole square. So we can say that here is pi d square and 2 square is 4. That means we can say that pi d square upon 4. Pi d square upon 4. Option D is correct one. Now, if the ratio of the radii of two circle is 2:3, here is r1 and r2, 2:3. Then the ratio of their circumference, student, circumference will be 2 pi r 1 and circumference 2 pi r 2. So here is 2 pi to 2 pi cancel, radius 1 ratio, radius 2 will be the ratio of circumference of radius 1 and 2. So radius 1 ratio radius 2 is as it is of 2:3. So we can say that the option A is correct here. Now, if the ratio of the radii of two circle is 3:5, here student, again ratio of one radii with second radii is 3:5. Then we have to find the ratio of their area. Ratio of their area will be pi r 1 square ratio pi r 2 square. Pi to pi cancel. Here r1 square, r1 is 3. 3 square is 9 and r2 5 square is 25. So our answer, that means our ratio of these two circles will be 9:25. So here is the option D is correct one, 9:25. Now, eleventh question, we have to find the perimeter of semicircle. Let this one is semicircle. We have to find this perimeter, that means length of outer boundary. So here radius is 7. So diameter will be 7 into 2, that is 14 centimeter. And then we have to find circumference of semicircle. And circumference will be equals to 2 pi r. And circumference of semicircle will be pi r. So here 22/7 into radius, which is 7. 7 to 7 cancel. That means 22 centimeter is the length of this semicircle, and we have to find the perimeter. So also we will add diameter with 22 centimeter. So 22 plus 14, that is 36 centimeter is the perimeter of the semicircle. So option C is the correct one. Now, area of rectangle and area of the circle are equal, and the dimensions of the rectangle are given, which is 14 into 11. Then we have to find the radius of the circle. So we can say that, student, 14 into 11 is the area, that is 154 centimeter square. This one is also equals to the area of circle, that is pi r square. That means 154 equals to pi r square, and r square will be 154 upon pi, that is 22/7. So here we will cancel by 11. 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11 and 4 14. Now 2 7 ja 14. Here radius square will be 49 and radius will be equals to 7 centimeter. So here the radius of the circle will be 7 centimeter, option D. So we have completed our MCQs here.